If you want to find your phone number and SIM ICCID number on your iPhone 16e, first of all, open up your settings. After that, we have to scroll down to our General tab, then scroll down to your About tab. There it is, and here scroll down to your ICCID, and here you'll find your number. And as for the phone number, it's quite easier to do. Open up your phone. Oh, I'm sorry. Open up your settings once again. Open up your apps. Now you gotta find your phone. Then we have to scroll down and find our mobile number. Yeah, here it is, my number. So for some reason, I can't see my number here, but on 90% of your usual SIM cards, you'll see it right here. But I guess I have to contact my phone service provider. Well, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.